Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Ford Fusion jack. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level, firm surface, away from any traffic. Engage the parking brake and put the transmission in park. For added stability, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Finally, gather your tools, the spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, usually found in the trunk. Now let's prepare your Fusion for lifting. If your wheel has a cover or hubcap, carefully remove it. Next, using your lug wrench, loosen each lug nut by about 1/2 to 1 full turn while the wheel is still on the ground. This makes removal easier later. Crucially, locate the correct jack points on your vehicle's frame. Your owner's manual provides exact details. With the vehicle prepared, it's time to lift. Position the jack precisely under the designated jack point, ensuring the jack head makes full and stable contact with the vehicle's frame. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle. Continue lifting until the tire is completely off the ground, allowing enough clearance to remove and replace it. Avoid lifting higher than necessary. To finish, carefully lower your Fusion until the tire gently touches the ground. Now, hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Once they are snug, fully lower the vehicle and remove the jack. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is often around 100 foot-pounds, ensuring secure wheel attachment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.